Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How we doing? Good morning, good morning. Let's see. Twitter. Live. QQQ, Tesla, Amazon, AMD, NVDA, Post. Alrighty. Alrighty. All right. Good morning. Who we got in here? Let's see. Good morning, Eric J, JTS, Abel, HD, RUAAN, Vincent, David, Katie, Dominic, Morrison, Jonathan, Quality Mistakes, Juan, Leon, Matthias, Sonia, Antonio, Don, Exert, Alex, Simply Fan, Stash Tech, nice name. Adrian, Don, Jim, Aaron, Jeremy, Kaz, Greg. Who else we got? Raphael, Harold, David, and Chris. Good morning. Alrighty, so we got really close to that SPY bounce yesterday. That is still going to be on watch for me today, that 242. I actually took an SPX lotto at the end of the day and banged out 100% on that. I'm telling you, these SPX trades at the end of the day, they are super fun. So I actually caught it a little later. I didn't get the exactly at 442.3, but as we started pushing to the upside and pulling back, that's when I got long. Had I gotten long down here, I could have caught an extra 100% on top of that, but you know, it is what it is. So those SPX lottos, they were fun. But yeah, let's hop right into it. We do have FOMC minutes today, so keep that in mind. The market might be a little boring. The thing is, with the FOMC minutes, there's a very high probability that I am not going to trade them. I don't like trading the minutes. I like the actual announcement. So I don't know. We'll see. But there's a high likelihood that I won't trade the minutes and take care of some other things. Good morning, everybody. So let's hop right into it. Let's take a look at ES, and then we'll head on over to SPY, QQQ, NQ, and then we'll go from there. Let's see. Go to the 4-hour. And let's see. All right, so ES broke that 61.8. Next level we have is all the way down there. Level after that is all the way down there. So we'll get rid of this one for now. 4404 and 4400. Nice area to watch. Plus we have that previous low point right here. Boom. All right, so I like that area, and then after that, I mean, we have a lot more downside that we could go. And then as far as a reject, we'll just go from this high down to this low right there, 4482, 4490. After that, we do have some 4-hour supply that we could start trading into. Starting right there. And then I believe also it turned into a 2-hour supply as well. Let's see. Where's my 2-hour? Yes, there's a little bit of 2-hour in there. So if we do start pushing up into these zones, going to be looking for some rejects. Maybe we can get a liquidity sweep below yesterday's low in the pre-market. If that were the case, I would be interested in a futures trade. And then we have the London highs, pre-market highs right there. Cool. So that's pretty much everything for ES. Rejects all the way up here and then up there. Possible liquidity sweep here. If we break below there, I'll watch down here plus SPY 442. So that's the main thing I'm interested in, is that 442. So 442.3 all the way down to 442. Let's go back out to a 4-hour. Pivot low, pivot high, and then if we start breaking that, the next one is all the way Actually, we have another little fib cluster there. I didn't see that one. That will explain why we bounced there. So I like that entire area. But yeah, and then if I'm going to look for a reject, pivot high, pivot low, 445.75, 446.65. We do have a nice 1 hour squeeze. So we'll see which way that one fires. Awesome. I don't know where this level came from. Delete that. Perfect. There's SPY. And then let's take a look at NQ. And then we'll head on over to QQQ. And again, real quick, as always, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 190 people in here and only 44 likes. Remember, if you guys want this watch list, you got to run up them likes. 225. But as far as NQ, I don't know where this level came from. We'll go ahead and delete that. Maybe a liquidity sweep here. Maybe we can get that. We do have a nice 1 hour squeeze below the moving averages. If we don't get the liquidity sweep, I'm looking for more downside. 15,000 is going to be a bounce, and then 14,946.75. And then after that, we have supply way up here. I believe that's a 4 hour supply zone. Let's see. Yes, 4 hour supply. Also, depending on if we bounce, we could watch there to there. So, few different levels that we can watch for a reject today. Let's head on over to QQQ. And again, I don't have a good bounce until 358.77. So we'll see with that. Let's go ahead and delete this. Take that off. Pivot high, pivot low. Could watch that level. And then break above there, watch the supply zone. Cool. Got our bounces, got our rejects. SPY, QQQ, ES, NQ. That is done. Let's take a look through some individuals and see what we like. Somebody already posted their watch list. Oh, it's green eyes. All right, let's see what we like today, ladies and gentlemen. How'd everybody do yesterday? You make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know in the chat. And of course, Lance, hopefully you guys are finding a lot of value in that boot camp. Let's see. I mean, Apple traded back down into the shoulder, the left shoulder. So I'm curious to see if it pops back up and can form shoulder number 2, and then we can watch the neckline for a possible break. So we'll see with Apple. As of right now, not too interested. But we'll see. Maybe we can get a swing. Maybe like a little lotto. Green made money. Made money, money, money. Good stuff. Airbnb. We're gonna bag off NVIDIA. Good stuff. AI, don't care about. AMD. Had a really strong reaction off that daily support and 100-day SMA. Thing is, I don't like the chop. Looks like it's trying to bull flag here. Maybe NVIDIA has a better setup. But if I were to watch this, probably just be a break above pre-market highs. 111.87. Again, not like super interested in this, but it could come into play. We'll look at NVIDIA and see how that's looking. Amazon, pretty much being a pain in the ass, not wanting to break out. The market's weak. I mean, below 137 doesn't look bad. Let's take it into this 134, and then we get the gap fill. So, it's the 4 hour. Take a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, maybe Amazon. Question mark. Yes, I did. I hit 58K subscribers. I appreciate all of you. Every single one of you, especially the ones that hop in here in the morning every day. You guys keep me company. Actually, Baba doesn't look too bad for a reject at 91.50 if it were to pump. So if you guys want to watch that, feel free. Caterpillar. Don't care about. Assuming Coin just had news. Definitely, you know. Broke that little wedge. I mean, that could. I'd really like to see it come down into 74. But I don't know. Maybe we can get a swing with this. Not too sure yet. Still watching it. I like the weekly. We'll just have to wait and see. But Coin did have news, it looks like. Let's see. Costco don't care about. Take a look at Google. Trading at 130. Still just in consolidation, so nothing interested or interesting. IWM, 187.61 is still in play. So that's actually going on the list today. We're going to put IWM. Meta, still just chilling in that flag. Nothing from me there. Microsoft, consolidating. Don't care about. Netflix, don't care about. NVDA. Actually, it looks pretty good. Especially with that 1 hour squeeze. If the market got strong, I'd be interested. Yeah. I like that. About 445.5. So I like that more than AMD. We'll put a video on the list. Contracts are just a little expensive. PayPal, potential double bottom down here. Let's look at the liquidity real quick. I like that. Let's see if we bounce at. I would look for a retest. I mean, ideally down at 59, we could go with the 60s. Stop loss right below the lows. I like that. Potential double bottom in play. Let me look at QQQ. Take a look at Roku. That weekly looks good. I know Shopify has this daily gap. See, we need to break 53.88. We're trading at 55.38, so nothing there. Snow don't care about. SPX 40. I mean, if we drop down to 4,400, I'd be interested in SPX. Right now, not interested in SQ. I see somebody just brought that up. I mean, I would look for a bounce way down here. I don't see anything else other than that. Yeah, that's the only spot I'd be watching. So, nothing there. And then Tesla. I was trading right at the money. That's literally just falling off a cliff. Where's that fib at? Let's see. Low, high. 225.83. Actually, we're not too far from it. Cool. Yeah, I mean, Tesla could go on the list today. Got very close in the pre-market. I'd be interested down there. Very, very interested. So AMD, Amazon, IWM, NVIDIA, PayPal, Tesla. Those are the stocks I am watching. And then we're going to narrow it down. You're in about 9 minutes. We can look at ES with those, with the 50-day SMA. Yesterday we bounced right off, and today we bounced right off the 55 EMA on the daily for ES. We already broke below the daily 50 SMA. Pretty sure SPY did the same. Let's see. So SPY yesterday closed right below the 50-day SMA. Nothing too crazy, but the 55 EMA on the daily is at 440.78 as of right now. SPY. How does the lotto work? Exactly how it sounds. You risk the whole thing, like the lottery. It's either going to work or it's not. But yeah, I mean, that 55-day EMA, when's the last time we tested that bad boy? Last time we tested it was 5/24, so it's almost been 3 months. We're gonna mark it 440. 440.78. There we go. Alrighty, and then let's see if QQQ is near any of these moving averages. QQQ bounced right off of its 55-day EMA yesterday. It's at 364.11 right now. $364.11. Cool. Broke below the 50-day SMA. See where NQ's at. NQ is trading on top of its 55-day EMA. It bounced right off of it on the 11th and the 14th and the 15th. So daily close below there, that's going to be a big level to lose. Alrighty. Cool. All right, what time is it? Let's see, 8:23. So we got 7 minutes. I do know that we have some news dropping here at 8:30. Housing starts, building permits. I don't expect too large of a move based off of them, but I do want to wait for that to get out of the way. And then, let's see. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. I want to see if the boys are trading the minutes. Because I'm seriously... I don't know if I want to. Are you guys trading minutes? Or are you guys just going to say no and chill? Because typically the minutes is kind of tricky to trade. It used to be fun, but honestly not that big of a fan of it anymore. Whoops. Yeah, I don't know if I'm not going to. Or I don't know if I'm going to. The actual announcement is where the fun is. Yeah, I agree with you guys. I mean, I might just come back around like 3:30 and see how the market digested the minutes and then go from there. Tell you what though, it looks like QQQ might be setting up. And SPY might be setting up for a little pre-market trade, huh? We're gonna get that liquidity sweep. Let's see if we get it. I'm gonna watch this. Gonna watch this, see if we can get something, maybe take a little futures trade. And in about 4 minutes, we'll start narrowing the list. Yep, still watching a swing FedEx. Looking for that pullback down to the daily 21 EMA. If we don't get it, we don't get it, but that's where I see the risk reward. Let's see how many likes we got. 141 with 280 people in here. Remember, if you guys want this watch list, 225 likes for the watch list. Boom. Make sure you guys run it up. We're going to be narrowing the list here in 4 minutes. Give you guys the watch list once we hit that, and then we'll call it a day. But like I said, I like AMD, Amazon, IWM, NVIDIA, PayPal, Tesla. Seeing if we get a pre-market trade. I prefer ES. I don't necessarily like trading NQ. I mean, UNH, it looks good. It's just not something I feel like swinging. More interested in a pullback, if anything. 3 minutes. Actually, 2.5 minutes. Oh, I'm gonna pull up the futures account just in case we get a little trade. One second. Alrighty. Got it pulled up. Let's see if we get a liquidity sweep. I mean, I mainly like NVIDIA to the upside today. Tell you what, if they could both do a liquidity sweep at the same time, ooh, that'd be spicy. That would be spicy. Plus, we have that 442 on SPY. Come on, don't bounce. Just go down there, break below 444. Oh my God, 44.47. Reclaim it with volume. Give me the liquidity sweep and move back up into 44.57. I'd be a happy camper. That's what I want. Come on. I promise we're going to narrow this list down here in a minute. Did TLT break resistance or support? Broke the support levels. Come on. This might be it. Try blowing on the chart. Gotta get my book map up. Come on, you're so close. Just do it. Let's see if we have any buyers down here. Yes, we have a lot of buyers down at 44.45 and 44.43. Bruh. Alright, we're gonna narrow this list, but I'm keeping ES up so we can keep an eye on it. Might bounce early. It might wait until market open to actually do it. But we'll keep our eye on it. I got it pulled up. AMD. I mean, if the market got strong, you could watch it above that 111.87. I think I just like the NVIDIA more. Amazon. Hold on, let's just take AMD off. Amazon, not too sure how I feel about that one yet. Definitely going on the list. Bounce 187.6. Yeah, 187.6. Cool. IWM. Bounce at 187.6. All right, so that's going on the list. Take a look at NVIDIA. Maybe just an uptrend entry above 445.5 if it got strength. Doesn't look too bad. I like the squeeze. So that could go on there. PayPal, though, I mean, I'd like to see a spike down into this like 59 level, and then a double bottom from the daily, and then a bounce back up. That's what I would personally be interested in. So we'll see there. And I know Tesla is getting really close to an area. I think I like the PayPal more. Might even snag a swing with it. All right, let's get the SPY and QQQ typed out. Reject. 6.55 higher probability. All right, there's SPY, QQQ. And don't forget, I will be going to the beach tomorrow afternoon. I'm leaving, so I will not be live on Friday. Keep that in mind. Man, they're not going to give the liquidity sweep. What a bunch of losers. Bums. Let's see, QQQ. Rejects. Probability. $65.74 for the rejects. All right. Thinking PayPal. NVIDIA and PayPal, because I kind of want to. I think we're gonna swing PayPal. Actually, I like that better. Give it a couple days to work in our favor. Video. Market is strong. I like this for an uptrend entry above 445.5. Nice 1 hour squeeze as well. PayPal, watching for a swing, looking for a double bottom on the daily. Boom! Man, it's only 8:40. It's not even 8:40, it's 8:36. But what is that? We got IWM, SPY, QQQ, NVIDIA, PayPal. And then we're also going to keep an eye on FedEx. Cool. Kind of bummed that they didn't want to go ahead and give it. Shocked that they actually didn't liquidity sweep, but I would still keep your eye on this during market hours for a potential liquidity sweep below these or below 44.47. It's just they've tried to bounce it so much already. We'll see. We will see. But how many likes we at? 202. You guys need 23 more likes and you guys get it. And also, in the meantime, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I do go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Plus, I have over 774 videos for completely free, or I have 774 videos for completely free. And if you haven't already, and you didn't know, I do have a free boot camp going on this channel right now. 31 days of brand new uploads. And today, tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday, I have highly requested videos that are going to be dropping. So definitely make sure you guys are all caught up. That way everything going forward makes sense. But yeah, hopefully you guys are finding a lot of value throughout this boot camp. Let me tell you, because I'm going on vacation, I had to crank out like 4 or 5 videos yesterday and edit all 4 or 5. So I'm determined, right? But yeah, make sure you guys are checking them out. I'm neither bullish or bearish on SPY. I'm watching both ways. 31 days of straight buy. I guess in the meantime, though, has anybody got questions while we're just chilling? Yes, sir, Perkins. And remember, those videos, they are going to go private a couple weeks after the boot camp. So definitely take advantage while you can. Give me liquidity. Give it to me. Honestly, don't think it's going to do it. Don't think it's going to do it. Give this thing a couple more minutes. I appreciate it. What makes me motivated? Honestly, just wanting a good life for me, the wife, kids whenever I have them, take care of my parents, leave a legacy behind. That's pretty much it. Come on. Get down there. Yeah, and remember, today is FOMC minutes, so I don't necessarily expect a lot to happen today. So if the market wants to provide opportunity, cool, I'll take a trade. But if it doesn't, hey, I will sit cash. I was gladly going to sit cash yesterday. I would have had no issue. I didn't see anything that I liked. Anything. Until a nice little ES trade popped up. Liquidity sweep into a fair value gap. Was able to catch a nice move to the upside. And then we were able to catch that SPY reject at, what was it, 445, I think, or 455, something like that yesterday, wherever SPY is trading at. Let's see real quick. 445 is where we caught the reject. So, yeah, just remember, it is okay to sit cash. It is okay. Yeah, Rhino's my little baby. I love her. My little kitty cat. ES is the futures. Come on, just do it. Yeah, I don't know. Oh no. Try to be patient with this one. No, if I'm gonna be swinging PayPal, it's gonna be next month. Not necessarily. I mean, I'll peep the VIX every once in a while, but it's not like a main part of my strategy. Watch, I bet you as soon as I hop off the live, it's gonna break and do it. All right. Let's just give you guys this watch list so you guys can chill with me if you want. Watch this futures. We did hit the like goal, but hey, if you want to run it up 250, I'll take that also. So, as always, I'm not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. Alrighty, IWM. I don't use the 55 SMA, I use the 55 EMA only on the daily and weekly, and I'll only use it if price is near it. QQQ, NVDA, and PayPal. Bang. So that is the watch list, and also make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. I'm gonna drop a link. That way you can find all my socials: Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. My book. Make sure you guys definitely pick that up as well. Book number 2 is gonna be here in the next few weeks. So definitely make sure you guys are. Hold on, where is this? There it is. Copy. Make sure you guys read through book number 1 because you're gonna need book number 1 to understand book number 2. So remember, that's coming out in a few weeks. Super excited for you guys to read through it. Spent a lot of time on it. Yeah, I'm super hyped. Book number 2 debut, baby. It's crazy. Yeah, I appreciate that. Relaxing noises. Come on, just drop a few more points. 4 points, that's all we want. Ideally, 6 to 7. Reclaim 44, 47. And then be on your way. That's all I'm asking for. That's all I want. I'm gonna give this like 4 more minutes, and then I'm going to make food. Because I am hungry. All right, let me get this watch list sent out to Team Bull. Boom, boom. Bang. All right. Posted in Team Bull. Yeah, first one's 450 pages. I think the second one is like 285, somewhere around there. So that's a lot of writing. Got that watch list posted in the Team Bull. Are we going to get down there? That's the question. Jada wants me to join the Zoom. Oh my lordy. Get down there. Yeah, I'm going to make food. If I come back, hopefully it does it. Anyways. Alrighty, everybody. That is going to wrap it up today. Again, keep an eye on this ES for a possible liquidity sweep down at these lows. As always, I greatly appreciate you guys. Make sure to join tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Get another free watch list for the day. I won't be live on Friday, so come get your daily dose of Brandon. That way you don't miss me too much on Friday. And remember, make sure to go through those bootcamp videos if you haven't already. Other than that, everyone have an amazing day. Trade safe, trade smart. Don't force trades. Wait for A+ setups. If the market doesn't offer you anything, stick cash and wait for the next day. But everyone take it easy. Peace out.